Hello, my lovely friend. Are you ready to do this new problem together? So let's get started. Here, so the square tiling pattern is created from four identical, let me highlight, identical triangular tiles and a smaller central square tile. So we see in this figure, we have four identical triangle. Identical means in size, in length, everything they are same. So for part A, it asks the perimeter of each triangular tile. So first of all, for any figure, we know perimeter, that means walk around the border of that figure. So I have to have all the side of my triangle. But the only information that question gave us is the length of hypotenuse, because we see all the triangle are right triangle and the angles here. We know with formula of sine and cosine, I can find all the sides. So to find all the sides here, I need to find this side, which I get it x, and this side, which I get it a. I use hypotenuse and these angles. So we see x is the opposite side of this angle. So opposite side over hypotenuse gives me the sine. So I say for part A, I say the sine of 28 equals the opposite side is x over 20. If I find this amount from the calculator, which I say sine of 28 times 20, I will get x equals 9.39, which is almost 9.4. Yeah, so which is almost 9.4. I will go for this side. I will say for A, let me write a formula. A is the adjacent side of this angle, so I say cosine of 28 equals A over 20. So if I calculate these angles with calculator and then use the cross multiplication, I get A equals 17.66. And all of my unit is centimeter. So I find it centimeter. I find it centimeter. Now I will go for find the perimeter. Perimeter is add up all the sides up. So I say 20 plus 17.66 plus 9.39. I get it 9.4, which is 9.44. So I will get it. It's almost 47.06 that I get it, almost 47. So it's for part A. I write it here. Part A, 47 centimeter, which is my perimeter. I will go for part B. Part B says the area of each triangular tile. We know for triangle the area is they have a base times height. So I say the area here is the half of base, I get it, times, I get it, 9.4 times the height is 17.66. Why this side is my height? Because I am in the right triangle. So I will find the area of this rectangle equals 80, almost 83, and my unit is square centimeter. Now I will go for part C. Part C says the side length of the central square tile. It's so easy. To find this side B, we see A create a B plus the base side of the other triangle. And we said that all the triangles are identical, so it's X. So A was X plus B. And we know what's A. A was 17. We have A here. A is here. X is here. So I will find B. B equals A minus X, which gives me 17.66. 17.66 minus 9.39 is gonna be almost 8.26 centimeters. Okay, I find it. Part, let me write part B here. Part B is 83 centimeters squared. Part C, I find it 8.26 centimeters. For part D, it says the percentage of the pattern which is occupied by the central square tile. That means I have to find the area of the square tile here, the central square tile, over the whole area. What's the whole area? 20 times 20. 20 is square. So I say the percentage here, the percentage that the central square occupied equals the area of the central square, which is 8.26 to the power of 2. So 8.26 squared over the whole area of this figure, of this tile, which is 20 squared times 100, because I am gonna this amount, this fraction, or I will get a decimal number or fraction times 100 gives me the percentage. If I find this amount with calculator, I will get almost 17.1%. So the central square occupied the 17.1% of this tile. We are done here. Please subscribe, share with your friends, and stay tuned. I will see you in the next problem. Bye-bye.